What's poppin', what's shaking, what's baking, what's the good word, everyone? My name is Afro, and today we're making the classic tequila drink, the Margarita. So for this Margarita, we're gonna add in 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of triple sec, and then 1 ounce of lime juice all into a shaker. We're gonna shake it and straight into this drink, which is a 2 to 1 to 1 ratio. And now I'm going to welcome back my good friend Elliot to try this drink out. I thank him for coming back once again. So Elliot, come on over.
It was really good last time, so I had to come back this week. Really good again. Yeah, really good.
And that's how you make the Margarita. Once again, we added into the tequila, triple sec, and lime juice into a shaker. We shaked it up and we strained into fresh ice into our glass. Some people like to do a salt rim, and how you would do that is you would take some lime and rub it along the side and then dip it into the salt. But I'm not really much of a salt guy, so I decided to cut that step out. But you're more than welcome to. Let me know how you prefer your margaritas. If you like this drink and you want to see other drinks like this, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on a brand new show.